Yo guys, what's up, Samza? And today I'm making a vlog and this is unboxing my fidget spinners. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Number one is my blue one, the box. Number two, red, the box. And as you see, today I started one of my vlogs at the park today. I felt like doing it at the park because I got a bit bored. And today, stay tuned for a London vlog because I might be doing it. So yeah. Stay tuned for that. And this is really just unboxing my fidget spinners. So today it's Father's Day, so I might be going to London. So if I do, I might vlog that. I might just vlog some of it, yeah. So that was a little short video, but all I was really want to show you is just my fidget spinners. But stay tuned for the London vlog, maybe. It's like a 50% chance. 50-50, okay? It's like a 50% chance because my dad's busy and stuff. But yeah, that was my fidget spinner one. And yeah, nothing much to say really. So I hope you enjoyed that. Smash the like button. At least 100 likes for this video. And I'm trying to get at least 200 likes for the London vlog. This is going to be called Unboxing My Fidget Spinners. So thank you so much for watching this, and please do subscribe to my channel for more daily top-notch videos like this and GTA 5 PS4 videos, or like different games on PS4 because I did show you some games I had. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if you did, smash the like button. So bye.